Hey gamers, are you looking to get a full refund on a PS5 game or DLC you just purchased? Maybe it wasn't what you expected, or perhaps there was an accidental purchase. Whatever the reason, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to walk you through the easy method to get your money back from the PlayStation Store. Let's make sure you can return that game or DLC without a hassle. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit subscribe and ring that bell for all the latest gaming guides and tips. Now let's get into the refund process. The first step is to understand Sony's refund policy. You have up to 14 days from the purchase date to request a refund for games or DLC. But there's an important detail to note. You can't have started downloading or streaming the content. If you have, the chances of getting a refund may be slim unless the content is faulty. Head over to the PlayStation support page and sign in to your account. You'll need to use the account that made the purchase to request a refund. Once you're logged in, look for the refund request form. You can typically find this in the help and support section, or you can navigate directly to the PS Store and Refunds section on the PlayStation website. Fill out the refund request form with all the necessary details. You'll need to provide information about the purchase, such as the date, the content title, and the transaction ID, which can be found in your account's purchase history. After submitting the form, all you need to do is wait. PlayStation support will review your request and get back to you. This can take a few days, so be patient. While you're waiting, don't start downloading the game or DLC, as this could affect your eligibility for a refund.